Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today we're joined with Rick Wright, the Digital Delivery Manager at IDP. Rick, thank you so much for joining us today. Can you start by telling us a little bit about IDP?
Hi, Aley. In a nutshell, we're about helping people gain the knowledge and opportunities they need to change their lives and the lives of their community. And we do this by helping people get into the right course so they can study overseas. We also co-own IELTS, which is the world's most popular language test. What sets us apart is our global reach and awesome people. We have 120 offices full of experts, many people who have studied overseas themselves, and this team is so trusted by our customers. We're now a few years into a digital transformation program, and at its core, the program is about harnessing the expertise and trust that we have with our customers through our face-to-face relationships and channeling that across all the touch points. And our goal is for our students to feel connected, engaged, and supported their whole way from when they first start looking for a course through to when they graduate and beyond.
Wow, what an amazing initiative for students, especially who are wanting to study abroad as well. So how do you use AWS Cloud to help support your students?
So in the last few years, we've focused on building out our technology footprint and upskilling our teams to become digital experts. We now got to have a tech landscape with very low technical debt. It's robust and it's all focused around our customers. So we're in pretty good shape. With our core landscape established and really performing well, we have started to put even more emphasis on innovation to meet our customer needs. We've used AWS for many years, probably more as a hosting alternative, but about a year ago, we decided to drive all our innovation using AWS. And we started off by using AWS to manage the data between our core systems. We moved far closer to an event-driven business where when something happens, we can respond to it almost immediately. And all our processes have access to the great data that we have on courses and opportunities for our customers. We're also delivering features much faster into production right now, and we're on the cusp of releasing our production into production within a day of the use case being written. And I'm finding that really exciting. So all of this has allowed us to move much more quickly as a business. COVID really proved out the value of our investment in the digital uplift. AWS made sure that we continue to stay connected to our students, even when our physical offices stayed shut. And we quickly stood up virtual events and virtual counseling as our support programs.
That's incredible. How exciting to be so agile. And for those who don't know, please tell us, what is Stacks and how has Stacks helped your organization with AWS?
Cool. So we all know that automation is king, right? So really simply, Stacks is a tool that helps us to automate the management of our AWS environments. As we were talking about earlier, AWS allows us to move fast in delivering features to support our customers, and that speed has to be tempered with the right types of controls: engineering, cost, security, and compliance, etc. And Stacks makes that much, much easier. Our security and infrastructure teams love it because it takes all the routine work off them. And we've got a lot of proactive management of our environments going on, security and compliance rules, etc. All of this is important, and because Stacks is automating it for our engineers, they get more time freed up to work on higher value things like building new ways to connect with our customers. It gives us the confidence, stronger governance, more importantly, as I said, just more time.
That's awesome. Which features of Stacks do you guys use? Because there are quite a few features to select from.
We give the tool a fairly good workout. The security, cost management, and compliance functionality is used day in and day out. But an area where we're getting a lot of value just right at the moment is setting up the AWS networking. Stacks decomplicates a lot of networking concepts and makes managing them faster and more reliable. So we're getting a lot of value out of that right now.
Oh, that's awesome. And Rick, for those who are interested, what's next for IDP? What can we expect? What can we look forward to?
Well, the big picture is the world's rebuilding right now, and we need big thinkers all around the world: doctors, nurses, planners, entrepreneurs, and IDP's got a role in creating that next generation of leaders. We're going to continue to accelerate our path to transform our services and a truly global omni-channel platform and connected community. We're improving how we learn with data so we can provide accurate solutions that really help universities and students find that perfect match. And there's a lot of innovation coming down the line. We've got thousands of ideas, literally. We have big goals, but we've got a great team and we know we can achieve them.
I'm so excited to see what you guys come up with, and the innovation is just so cool. You're smiling the whole time, so we can see you're passionate about it. And thank you, Rick. Thanks for coming on the show, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks, Ali.